Hey guys, it's Sunday night. We are going to be doing a casual mukbang, so I wanted to show you guys what Mark's prepared. We're doing shabu tonight. So we got our broth here, assortment of veggies that he's been washing since we got back from the market. We have dumplings, we have 2 types of meat, some beef balls, tofu. These are the things that we're gonna be putting in our sauce. I think this is garlic, minced radish.
Grated radish.
Grated radish. Green onion, and I really was craving these like noodles like no other. We have the sauce here, so this is our setup.
Wagyu bottom round.
Wagyu bottom round.
I love the fat on that, so that's why I got that one. And this is the Wagyu brisket.
About pound and a half of meat, right? Oh, what are we drinking?
Just drink water.
Okay.
Where's the grill? It was on the other side.
Oh. I'll just do it from here, so.
Let's rotate it.
Did I switch the caps? Mince the garlic.
I used the thing that we bought.
Oh, that made it easier. The press.
I guess it's easier, but I can't tell. You want this in your goma too?
Yeah. Just a little bit. Oh, that's good.
The top of it is the pretty soft shot, not like
This is casual mukbang.
Okay, yeah, casual. I
know
why
you're
are we even filming.
You notice anything different about it? I cut the sleeves off this shirt.
Well, I mean, I saw that earlier, but I didn't know if that was what you were asking.
I have to wash my hands.
Actually, let me wash my hands too.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't see you buy this. Bok choy. Oh, that is bok choy. It just looked different without seeing the bottom part of the bok choy. Oh.
It's like instantly changing the color to brown, huh?
Yeah. I wonder if I've been craving this because that guy that I've been watching on YouTube keeps eating hot pot. Hmm. Oh, that was good. Oh, it's in your mouth. Is the hardest part is probably prepping the vegetables, right? Everything else we kind of bought. I wonder if people are gonna be like, they don't really talk that much.
Well, you said it was casual,
Yeah,
so I'm like,
don't
maybe
feel
I
like
don't have to talk.
Yeah, you don't talk. I'm just saying though, like in general though, right? I was editing a video in the office. It's the very first video like I ever filmed. Even by myself, I felt like so much pressure to just keep talking. Mm.
Do you want to try?
I'll grab one in a second. Okay. Make it look good. No, the dandelion or whatever those are. This meat's good too. It's just it's chewier, but I like it too. Maybe you can do this every Sunday. Sometimes I feel like we should start doing something where it's like we know that day of the week we're eating this type of thing, so that way it's one less day we have to figure out. Remember how we used to do like a Tapa Sunday?
You know, I was just thinking that because even the two sauces that we have,
Yeah.
like,
We only use it once and then.
yeah, it's because yeah. And I'm like, well, because like we don't really eat the same thing soon after.
Yeah.
So that's why like even like all the vegetables, if we were smart, we would do shabu again tomorrow because we bought more than enough vegetables to last a couple of shabu meals, you know.
Can you throw in some meatballs? Give me a chance. Do I need to boil water once it gets low, or are we okay?
We can add more broth and water.
I was watching this YouTube girl earlier. And she like films everything she eats the whole week, and I'm like, that seems so exhausting. But I watched the entire thing.
Is it more like casual or is it?
It's kind of both.
Okay.
Like she'll like, this is all the stuff you need, and then she'll sit there and she'll take 1 or 2 bites, and then she'll go on to the next. Because it's like basically 3 meals for 7 days each day, so it's 21. Napkins? Do I need to grab some? I was gonna grab taro earlier, but then it was just way too much.
Like the one in the vacuum.
Yeah, it was like, then I got trauma from the last time I made taro. Remember when I made the soup and it was like really porridgey, but it's supposed to be more soupy? Just rip you off and you order this on the side, so it's much cheaper.
Just by yourself? It's already cooked.
Put it in a Ziploc bag, chop it up, and then go to a pho place and
Just add it yourself.
Did your mom ever do that? Like bring condiments or anything like extra? My dad would sometimes bring like the Thai chili peppers, or those.
Really?
If he kind of suspects that we're going to a place that wouldn't have soy sauce, then he'll even bring like those to go.
Packets?
Mm-hmm. And it's in a Ziploc bag. I think it's in my mom's purse.
Like where would it? Like an American place?
Mm-hmm. Like if you went to, I don't know, like Norm's, I wouldn't expect them to have soy sauce there, right?
No, I don't think they would.
The most Asian thing they would have at that restaurant would probably be like a Chinese chicken salad.
Maybe like a teriyaki chicken like plate.
No. Do we have one of those mini strainer things? I feel like you're gonna want to buy one if we end up.
We have one. Want to get this gum on?
Yeah.
You're not eating these vegetables
Oh, no.
fast enough.
Oh, sorry.
Like, are they supposed to be this? Can I put them in half so they're like
Yeah.
easier to eat?
Is it bad to eat this, or is it just to?
It's just to make the broth still look pretty,
So it's just looks thing. It's not even a nutritional thing.
or like a clear broth. Yeah.
That's good enough for now.
Thank you.
That was kind of fun.
I like the ponzu dipping sauce more, but you like the kuma sauce more, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But there's certain things that I like. I feel like the vegetables taste better with the ponzu. But all of the meat I like to eat in the.
Interesting. I would.
You do.
I mean, I
opposite?
still like ponzu, but then if I had to use the goma, I would dip my vegetable in it.
Oh. I wonder how hard it is to make the goma sauce. Probably not worth it.
Well, I kind of make it when I make the green bean dish.
Hmm.
So we have the, what's it called? Pesto and mortar?
Mortar and pestle.
Yeah.
What's the thing I'm thinking of that looks like the pixie stick things? But they're much.
the powder. Yeah,
That's what I was thinking you were using, but I didn't realize it was that. Oh, that comes in handy then.
So you don't have to make bone broth. for 8 hours.
So if we ever do something where, like, I don't know, we just put that in the kettle and we can pour that as if people can drink that.
Yeah, this is what it is.
That's
Remember that one time when Irene?
Yeah. The only thing is, I feel like it's thicker outside. This seems a little bit more watery.
I was gonna say is mine's really like
Thick?
or just flavorful.
Maybe because I keep using mine and the broth is like thinning it out, but. Alright, by the time we eat this next time, let's find the hot drops. I'm sure they sell it online somewhere.
I only see that drops being used in shabu shabu places, huh?
Yeah. I'm curious about shabu in Japan since we can eat that there. I don't have enough meals to schedule it in. Is that from the?
Mm. It could be that gas is running out.
Yeah. Does our yakitori thing use the canister? Okay. Did you just put it in the dumplings or is it good?
I eat it.
Trying like my hardest not to burn my tongue because I hate when I have that sensation of like burnt taste buds for the week. Need a bowl? I'm gonna grab a bowl for the noodles.
I don't need one.
What was on that plate?
Something.
Oh, I can just use the plate. Not that we would do it, but couldn't we still make porridge?
Yeah.
I think next week I just want to buy like extra meatballs, so if I ever eat like ramen, I have like some kind of protein to put in. And go. You need tongs or you got it?
Are these like chow mein noodles?
They look like it. Maybe I should have bought the even thinner one.
You've been craving these, whatever, egg noodles or whatever
Yeah.
they're called. The packaging said it's already cut.
Yeah, so it just said to like put it in hot soup to let it come back to life. The goma sausage. Oh my gosh. It's still.
And it's original state. Okay, I'm done. I ate a lot.
If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe for more content. Let us know down below in the comments what you think, and we'll see you next time.
I bet you we're not gonna use this outro.